Hello everyone! Today I will show you some foreign words. They became Japanese words, but they originally came from foreign countries. In Japanese history, the first person who came to Japan from European countries was a Portuguese in 1543. So Japanese people learn new words from Portuguese a lot. Today I will show you some of them. Let's start. Number 1. かぼちゃかぼちゃかぼちゃかぼちゃかぼちゃかぼちゃ means pumpkin. It came from Portugal to Japan via Cambodia. So Japanese people call the pumpkin Portuguese intonation of Cambodia. Cambodia. Let's say Cambodia repeatedly. Cambodia, 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 Kabocha, Kabocha, Kabocha. Wow, Kabocha. The second is Ombu. Ombu, 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 Ombu. Ombu means piggyback ride. It came from the Portuguese ombro. Ombro means shoulder. But when people do piggyback ride, they hold shoulders. So Japanese people say ombro as the meaning of piggyback ride. Let's say it repeatedly. Ombro, 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 omb, omb, omb. Oh, piggyback ride. The third one is こんぺいとうこんぺいとうこんぺいとうこんぺいとうこんぺいとう means smelt. This word came from the Portuguese confeito. Japanese people loved it when Portuguese people brought it to Japan. And Japanese people thought Portuguese people pronounced こんぺいとう although they said confeito. Number 4. カルタカルタカルタカルタカルタカルタ is a Japanese traditional card game. We play it especially on the New Year's days. Even many Japanese people think that the word karuta is originally Japanese word, but it isn't true. The word karuta is derived from the Portuguese word carta, meaning of letter or playing cards. I think karuta is a good way for enjoying Japanese language, so if you have Japanese friends, I hope you to ask them and play karuta together. How was this video? Did you enjoy yourself? If you like this video, please subscribe this channel, Koyata Japan channel. Your reaction will be my motivation for making the next. If you'd like to know more about me, please watch the video Koyata's Katsuben World. That is my introduction. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.